which one's which.
You were fucking incredible today.
Thank you.
No, I felt bad for Anna.
Oh, don't. She's the sore loser, racist bitch. You know they offered classes in college? No, my only skill in life is hitting a ball with a racket.
Game in second set. Donaldson, 6-2, matches top.
If you want to quit playing tennis, you can quit playing tennis. You don't need my permission.
That was a long time ago.
It was not that long ago.
Well, it feels like a long time ago.
What do we need to do to get you to play again? Hey, baby.
Mommy,
What's up?
can we watch Spider?
Of course we can. Of course we can. Come here. We're just talking about tennis right now.